Hello everyone. Today I am showing how can you figure out that this top 5. Here is many things like 4 to 20. So what I have to do, just I have to select this column and find this only top 5, not top 10, top 5. So how can you do that? First you have to select column, click on this auto sort, click on it. Then there is many options. You have to go value filters, and then you have to go last, that is top 10. Select on it. Okay, now top, what do you have to do? That is top 5. I want top 5 item, that is okay, and some of cells, yeah. Then press okay. Just see this top, then 5, then items, some of cells. Okay, see, you just find it out very easily. Simple.